Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the error. The system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation in Windows 10, 11, 8, and 7. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, click on the search bar and type Registry Editor, then click on it to open. You can also type regedit and press enter. Now click on H key local machine. After that, click on Software. Then click on Policies, and after that click on Microsoft. Next, click on Windows. Now right-click on the Windows folder, then click on New, and then click on Key. After that, rename this key as Installer. Now click on the Installer key. On the right side, right-click on an empty space, click on New, and then select DWORD, 32-bit, value. Now rename it to Disable MSI. After that, double-click on it. Set the value data to 0, then click on OK. This setting allows Windows Installer to run normally. Now close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. After restarting, try installing your application again, and the issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.